So welcome. Now let's dive into the analysis. First of all, in a monthly time frame, you can really see that this is an uptrend. Price is making its way to the upside. If you look at the volume here, you can see that the volume was moving high from here. So this is a sign that this market is actually going up. So this is the volume. This is the volume. You can see the volume very closely, how it is showing that this market is actually going up and up. So I normally look at the volume to know where the price will be going. So if you actually look at this from here, you see that the price is making its way to the downside. Price might be going down on the chart because the volume from here, price was coming up and up and up and up and up, and now price is going down. So I expect this price to be going down this way, like this. I believe this price will be going down this way. So guys, this is what I'm saying. This price might be going down to the downside. So let's go to the chart. Now in the chart, you can see very closely that this price was actually coming from the downside to the upside. So but at this point, the volume is showing us that the price might be going down, meaning that at this point this price should be going down. So if you look very closely at this level, there is an order block here, or a demand zone. So let me draw out the demand zone. So here is the demand zone. So price might come to this level and price would rally its way to the upside again. So looking at this level, this is an uptrend already. So but price in a smaller time frame, you should just be your trade should be around this level. You should be trading around this level because price might be coming down. Price should be coming down to this point and price will rally its way to the upside. So if you look very closely at this point, there's a in this consolidation point, there is a fair value gap and there is an order block, there's a breaker block, and there's this stands as a demand zone where price will come into this zone and price will move its way to the upside. So to look very carefully, I know this point here price might want to react at this level here because this just like an there's a demand here, there's a demand zone, there's a point here that price might react to. Price might react to this level, but I'm not sure that this level is strong enough for price to react, but we can still make use of it because in analysis you have to make use and always check out every point where the market drops something. So the market drops something here, so price might want to react at that level, but I'm not going to see that level as a very strong level, but I'm going to mark it because it might also affect the market too. So let me just mark it out. So price might want to react to this point. So you shouldn't just overlook this point. This point price might react. Price might just come to this point and go up again, and price coming down to this point to go up. So now we go to a weekly time frame. Since we know that the price will be coming down from this level and we know we are still in an uptrend, so in a weekly time frame, what are we looking at? Now in a weekly time frame, you can see actually that this price is actually coming down. And looking at that point at monthly time frame, where I tell you that it might not be relevant and it may also be relevant, if you look very closely, you will see that there is a break here, price break of structure to the upside. So price might come to respect this level, maybe hit at this point and go back to this level. So but there's an outstanding demand level here, and there's still a fair value gap that will attract the price down to this point. So I believe when price comes to this point, the price breaks this level and come to this point, price will be rallying its way to the upside. So now looking at this level, there's a double top at this point. So whenever there's a double top, we all know that it's a reversal pattern. Price will always want to come down. So at this point, price might want to retest and price will come down. So there might be a retest around this level in a weekly time frame. There might be a retest. Price might want to go up. So for you to be sure or know when this price will go up, you measure this level where price breaks from. You measure this level to this level of the break, and also measure from this same level to here, so as to know where this price might want to retrace. So I believe this price might want to retrace around this level to retest on this point, and price will move its way to the downside and hit at this point, and price might just go up a little, but price will surely come down to this demand zone. So now we know what price might do. We know in a weekly time frame, price will want to hit around this point. Okay, there's a if you look very closely, there's an order block here. So want to make use of that order block as the reversal point. So here is an order block. Price might come to this order block, and we said which price have already did. Price came to this order block and hit at this order block, and price went to the upside. So now we can maybe use a Fibonacci retracement to know if this is a valid retracement, or price will still want to come down a little before retracing. Now draw out my Fibonacci from this level to this level and adjust it. Now you can see apparently this is a golden zone, and we believe that this is a valid retracement. Price have already retraced. Price is retracing to the upside to retest at this point, and when price retest at this point, price should be coming down to this level. So now we know what price is doing. That price is going up to it at this zone. We'll go to a daily time frame. Now in a daily time frame, what will you be looking for? You'll be looking for what price should be doing. Now here is the retracement. So I believe that this price should should retrace to this level and come down. So look at if you look very closely at this point, there is this level here. This level price is supposed to retrace around this level, and price should be coming down to this point. But if you look very closely at the daily time frame, when you bring out your Fibonacci to draw from here, from that level, sorry, there's an expansion tool, there's a Fibonacci expansion tool. So now let me bring out the Fibonacci. Now the Fibonacci I drew out from here to this level of retracement. So this is not a valid, so this should be the valid. So believing that price should come to this level. So this is the 50% retracement zone, which I believe that whatever price is doing around this level, price will just hit at this level, come down, and price should go to this level, hit this level. Because why I believe that price is coming to this level, there is an order block and supply zone around here. Here is a supply zone, and here is an order block, and here is a break. So price should be coming to this level. Price might come to this level, and price will rally its way to the downside. So after getting all these things done, to go to a 4-hour time frame to really see what price is doing around that level. Now in a 4-hour time frame, what will you be looking at now? Okay, it's taking time to load. Okay, now in a 4-hour time frame, I've already made my analysis on this BTC. So you can look very closely in a 4-hour time frame. Price in a 1-hour daily time frame, we believe that price should be retracing around this level. Price should be coming to this level. So this is just like a retracement. Price is making a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So I believe price making a change of character around this level. Price is just going to retrace, and price will come down here, and price will rally its way to this upside. So if you look very closely, there is a change of character around this level, but we're going to see the clearer picture when we go to a 1-hour time frame. But now look closely, you see that there's a double top around this level, telling us that price is going down. Price should be coming down to this point. Yeah, price should be coming down to this point. So now what are we waiting for? Now we should be waiting for a retracement. Price should break this point, a valid breakout. You should wait for a valid breakout. Price should break it, and price should come back to retest at this level, and price will rally its way to the upside. You can see the way I drew out my arrows, what I'm predicting, what my prediction for price will come down, price will retest, and price will go to the downside. Now when price comes to this downside, we believe that price might be going up to this level to be coming, so as price to come down. Remember, in a monthly time frame, we are still in an uptrend. So we believe in that price will just be doing all this dancing just to align with the 1 month movement. So now we go to a 1-hour time frame so as to trade this level, because whatever the 1 hour is doing, the 1 hour is following what the 4 hours is doing, and whatever the 4 hours is doing, the 4 hours is following what the daily time frame market is doing. So now the 4 hours might want to do its own part and hit here and leave it for the daily time frame to move the price to this level. Then the daily time frame might be doing the work of the weekly time frame by moving this price down to a level downside in the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame now we might be doing the work of the monthly time frame by moving the price from the level where the daily time frame leave it, and it will be moving the price up to the upside to align with the monthly time frame. So that's just how this thing works. That's just how it works. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now in the 1 hour time frame, what are we looking for? In the one, after knowing what the price is doing in a 4 hour time frame, a weekly time frame, and a daily time frame. Now in a 4 hour time frame, you can see that price made a double top, and whenever there's a double top, we all know what a double top means, that price might want to be reversing. So looking very closely around this level, you can see that this is a double top, a valid double top. Here is the double top, and price came and came and came. Here is a neckline. This is a neckline. So here is like a neckline. So price should be retracing. price should retrace and hit up that neckline, and price will be rallying its way to the downside. So I believe this is going to be a downtrend. So now for you to confirm that it's going to be a downtrend, we look at our MA. Our MA, you can see the line that price breaks this level, which make it to go up. Look at this how do you call it, exponential, sorry for that. Let me check out the name again. Moving average, sorry. So you can see our moving average, that price breaks here and it was an uptrend, and price breaks here and go up again, and price break. And whenever price do something like this in a moving average, price break the second and also come back to break the third, that means it's going to be down. So you can see that our moving average signal is telling us that this price will be coming down. So now let's look at the 15 minutes time frame where we were making our entries. So price came to this level and come down to this level. Price should have retraced a little, but sometimes price doesn't hit that way. Price came back and price moved to the upside, which is here. So I believe that price is supposed to retrace around this level and come down, but price came and make a fake out here, creating a double top, and price came down to this level. So coming down to this level, I believe price should retrace around this level and price should rally its way to the downside. So this is what I'm predicting for BTC. This is what I'm predicting for BTC. So I believe that this price will come back to retrace, will come down here, and price will retrace around this level, and price should rally its way to the downside. Now looking at this candle formation, you can see that this candle is creating an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, showing that this price should be going down. So I can actually extend, because by the time I was analyzing this thing, I was around this level. This is where I was, and I make my analysis of what price might do. So now I always wait for price to break and retest, so I will enter at this retesting. So I've been waiting for price to do or whatever it wants to do around here. So when it retests is when I'll be going into the market for a sell. So now let me extend this thing to this level so as to align with what I analyze. So looking at this very careful, I believe that price is going to break down to this level, because this is a bearish engulfing candle. If price breaks down to this level, price is going to retrace and retest on this level, and price should be going to the downside. Now let's go to a 15 minutes time frame. Now in a 15 minutes time frame, what are we looking at? Now in a 15-minute time frame, you normally go to a 15-minute time frame for confirmation to know what price might be doing. So 15-minute time frame will now have to show you confirmation of what price might be doing. So looking at here very closely, price is making a double top. Price has created a double top around this level. You can see how this thing works. Price has created a double top around this level, telling you that price is going to break down. Now when price break down in a as it is in a 15 minutes time frame, for you to confirm your trade, you can likely also draw out from this neckline. You can draw a point from this neckline, so believing that price should break and make a retracement, and price might retest at this level, but price might want to do a little fake out at this point, and price would move its way to the downside. Price might do a little bit of fake out just to hit at this point, and price should be going to the downside. So now you know trading is all about patience. You have to wait for price, so you wait for the market to come to you. So now I'm patiently waiting for the market to come to me. Price should retest at this level, and price should come down to this point. So now let's wait for price. So guys, you can see very closely that top down analysis is very easy and very comprehensible. So if there's any way you are finding it difficult and you find it difficult for you to understand or comprehend, just drop it in the comment section, because I will picking comments in the comment section, and I will make a video on it. So wherever you're finding this analysis difficult and you want me to break it down for you, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll be taking it from there, and I will make sure I do a video on what area you're finding it difficult. So now you can see it is a double top, and price will surely come to the downside. Price is making a series of high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is still a low. This level is still a low, because price has not break any of this level. So I believe price should break this level, and price should be test, and price should be moving to the downside. So if I should enter this trade, where should be my take profit? So if price come and retest around this level, if price come down and retest around this level, then I'll be going for a short. So to take my profit at this point, you can see the profit is very long. Because I made a top down analysis. So you can see it makes whenever you enter a trade, it will make your trade to be very, very profitable, because you've always seen the clearer picture in a bigger time frame. Now in the 1 hour time frame, you can see the price retest at this point. So this is where I'll be taking my profit. This should be my profit line. This is where I'll be taking my profit. So if you want to check this peak line, but there will be a bigger move already in a weekly or in a daily time frame. You see there should be a bigger move where price will hit at this point and price will be coming up. So if price hit at this point, then I saw a double top, I see a double bottom, and I see a change of character, because when price make lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, price might want to hit, retrace a little, and price will come down to make a double bottom, and price will come down to break this structure, making it a change of character, a market shift. And when there's a market shift, what do you expect is a reversal. So if price make a double bottom here, make a market shift, a break here, waiting a change of character, then price make a retracement. When price retreats, bring out Fibonacci, and price came back to respect your Fibonacci. That is a multiple confluence. Price may come to respect your Fibonacci, or price might come to mitigate any other block. If it has created an other block, price will mitigate it, and price will move its way to the upside. So which will be the best time to enter? And on this type of scenario, you might just enter the trade and hold it, because I believe if price comes to this level and do this thing that I predict, price should be going up to this upside. So I believe you will be able to really understand the concept when it comes to top-down analysis. So if you're finding it difficult to understand this video, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section, as I'm going to be looking out for comments so that I will drop a video on it. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my video, this is the first time you're coming across my video and you haven't subscribed to my video, please do well to do that. Subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified and you'll be the first person to be notified on my video. Thanks for watching.